Today, let's move on to the weak axiom of revealed preference. We use the revealed preference theory on the assumption that the consumer has preferences and chooses the best bundle of goods she can afford. But a question arises that how can we tell that the consumer is maximizing? Or what kind of observation would lead us to conclude that the consumer is not maximizing? Have a look at this figure and let's interpret it according to the logic of revealed preference. When we are in budget line L1, suppose the consumer prefers the bundle Y1 Y2. This implies that when the consumer's budget line is L1, the optimal bundle chosen is Y1 Y2. Though the bundle X1 X2 lies inside of the budget line L1 and is affordable, then it means that y1 y2 is revealed preferred to x1 x2 because y1 y2 is preferred by the consumer when x1 x2 is affordable. And suppose that the relative prices changes and the consumer moves to budget line L2, then x1 x2 becomes more expensive than y1 y2 as x1 x2 lies on the budget line, whereas y1 y2 lies inside of it. It has to be noted that the bundles x1 x2 and y1 y2 are affordable when the consumer is at both of these budget lines. Now, suppose x1 x2 is chosen when the consumer is at budget line L2. This allows us to conclude two things. X1 x2 is preferred to y1 y2 when the consumer is at budget line L2, and y1 y2 is preferred to x1 x2 when the consumer is at budget line L1, which is clearly absurd. The consumer has chosen x1 x2 when she could have chosen y1 y2, indicating that x1 x2 was preferred to y1 y2, but then she chose y1 y2 when she could have chosen x1 x2, indicating the opposite. So, this consumer cannot be a maximizing consumer. Either the consumer is not choosing the best bundle she can afford, or there is some other aspect of the choice problem that has changed, like his taste and preferences. The theory of consumer choice implies that such observations will not occur. The weak axiom of revealed preference states that if x1 x2 is directly revealed preferred to y1 y2 and the two bundles are not the same, then it cannot happen that y1 y2 is directly revealed preferred to x1 x2. Suppose x1 x2 is purchased at prices p1 p2 and bundle y1 y2 is purchased at prices q1 q2. As we explained earlier, suppose when the consumer is at budget line L2, he purchases the bundle X1 X2. Then, according to the theory of revealed preference, P1 X1 plus P2 X2 is greater than or equal to P1 Y1 plus P2 Y2. That is, the total expenditure of the bundle X1 X2 must be greater than or equal to the bundle Y1 Y2 at prices P1 P2 for the theory of revealed preference to hold. This essentially means that the bundle Y1 Y2 must be affordable to the consumer when the consumer opts to consume X1 X2. Given this, suppose the consumer moves to budget line L1 and the price changes to Q1 Q2. And then it must not be the case that Q1 Y1 plus Q2 Y2 is greater than or equal to Q1 X1 plus Q2 X2. That is, here the prices change to Q1 Q2. So the consumer can purchase Y1 Y2 here only if X1 X2 isn't affordable. Since the consumer purchased the bundle X1 X2 when he was at budget line L2, he won't be consistent with his preferences if he purchases the bundle Y1 Y2 at budget line L1. But he will still be consistent with his preferences if he purchased Y1 Y2 when the bundle X1 X2 wasn't affordable. So, it mustn't be the case that the total expenditure on Y1 Y2 is greater than or equal to the total expenditure on X1 X2 at prices Q1 Q2. That is because the bundle X1 X2 was preferred to bundle Y1 Y2 even though Y1 Y2 was affordable. So, in case of change in prices to Q1 Q2, if the consumer is purchasing the bundle Y1 Y2 when X1 X2 is available, then it means that the weak axiom of the revealed preference isn't satisfied. This example represents this violation because, as you can see, at budget line L1, the bundle X1 X2 was available as it lies inside the budget line, but still the consumer chooses Y1 Y2. Have a look at this figure where the consumer purchases X1 X2 at budget line L1. Here, the other bundle Y1 Y2 wasn't affordable as it lies outside the budget line L1. Suppose the consumer moves to budget line L2 and then as a result of this movement he chooses the bundle Y1 Y2. Here there doesn't arise the problem of consistency as the other bundle X1 X2 lies outside the budget line. So, from this figure, we can observe that there wasn't a violation of weak axiom of revealed preference as one bundle wasn't affordable when the other bundle was chosen. Now, let's numerically check how a violation of weak axiom of revealed preference can take place. Have a look at this table where there are three observations, that is 1, 2 and 3 at prices P1 and P2 and with bundles X1 and X2. Given these data, let's compute how much it would cost the consumer to purchase each bundle of goods at each different set of prices. See the entry in row 1, column 1, which we obtain with the prices under observation 1 and bundle 1. As we can see in the first table, the first set of prices, that is P1 and P2, is 1 and 2, and the first bundle is also given. Here, X1 is 1 and X2 is 2 under observation 1. Row 1, column 1 represents the total cost of bundle 1 at first set of prices. It will be 1 into 1, that is P1 X1, plus 2 into 2, that is P2 X2, which we get as 5. Now, let's move on to row 2, column 1. This represents the bundle 1, that is X1 X2 with prices under the second set of observation, which is 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2, which is 2 plus 2, that is 4. The third row, first column, represents the bundle 1 with prices under third set of observation. So, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2, which equals 1 plus 2, which is 3. Now, let's move on to column 2, which represents the second bundle, that is 2, 1 at various sets of prices. So, row 1, column 2 will be 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1, which is 2 plus 2, which is 4. And row 2, column 2 will be 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1, which equals 4 plus 1, which is 5. And row 3, column 2 will be 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1, which is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now, let's move on to column 3, which measures the bundle 2, 2 at various sets of prices. Row 1, column 3 will be 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2, which is 2 plus 4, which equals 6. Row 2, column 3 will be 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2, which is 4 plus 2, which equals 6. Row 3, column 3 will be 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1, which is 2 plus 2, which is 4. So, this is same as the previous column with just the total cost being given. Now, suppose the diagonal terms in the table measures how much money the consumer is spending at each choice. As given by the red lines on top, 5, 5 and 4 represents the diagonal elements. First, let's look at the prices under observation 1. So this means that at prices 1, the optimal bundle which the consumer chose is assumed to be bundle 1, for which the price is 5. The consumer could have purchased bundle 2 also as the price is 4. But he chose bundle 1. At the first set of prices, the consumer couldn't have chosen bundle 3 as the price of the bundle 3 exceeds the price of the optimal bundle, which is bundle 1. Since bundle 2 was affordable to the consumer, let's put a star there. Now, at second set of prices, the consumer's optimal bundle is assumed to be bundle 2. The price of bundle 2 is 5, and since bundle 1 was also affordable to the consumer, but he didn't select it, let's put a star there. Note that here at second set of prices, bundle 3 wasn't affordable as its price is 6. Now, in case of third set of prices, here the consumer selects the bundle 3 for which the price is 4. As we can see here in the third set of prices, bundle 1 and bundle 2 were affordable, but the consumer didn't select those. So we are putting a star in those entries. Now, remember the theory of revealed preference. At first set of prices, bundle 1 can be said to be revealed preferred to bundle 2. That is because bundle 2 was affordable, but the consumer didn't choose the same. At second set of prices, bundle 2 can be said to be revealed preferred to bundle 1. Here, the bundle 1 was affordable, but he didn't choose it. So, from the first and second set of prices itself, we can see the violation of weak axiom of revealed preference. Though both bundles were affordable at first and second set of prices, the consumer didn't show consistency in his preferences. At the same time, bundle 3 wasn't affordable in both of these cases. At the third set of prices, the consumer chooses bundle 3 when bundle 1 and 2 were available. So this doesn't violate weak axiom of revealed preference because bundle 3 wasn't affordable at first and second set of prices. But the table can be seen to be clearly violating weak axiom of revealed preference as there isn't a consistency in bundle 1 and bundle 2 at first and second set of prices. So I hope this concept is clear. Thank you.